No, I'm eating this. I don't know what
What
is it
is
called.
that?
I don't know what is it called.
Show me again. What is it?
It's like something like sweet like that. But then it's like not. It's like
Oh, Horflakes, is it?
yeah.
Is it called Horflakes?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what's Haw? Haw is a type of apple, but they put a lot of sugar in it. But I love it. Used to love it. Okay, all right, come, we start with these two. Come, Rahana. You have a short hair now. Rahana, are you there? Or are you just looking at me? Oh, it's a picture.
I don't like.
Huh? Is this you?
They're disgusting.
Oh, Horflakes.
Nothing on your screen. No, there's nothing on your screen.
Nothing on my screen. Okay, I'll try to share
There's
again.
nothing on your screen.
Okay, I'm going to share again. What about now? Can see? Okay, so we try this paper one. We'll try. I'm sure you can scroll up. Okay.
I thought you are doing paper 2.
Yeah, we're going to do paper 2. But let us try paper 1 first while we wait for the rest.
My answer is 4.
4. What about Rahana? 3. Okay, so how to do this question? If you get it wrong, that means you're careless. Okay, kg, if you change to gram, it's 1,000 gram. 1,000 is 3 zeros, 1, 2, and 3. So now, this 7 kg, you can write it as 7,000. So this 4 is at the last year. So 0, 0. Now where Sophia got mistaken is she thinks it's 7.04. If it's 7.04, there's 1, 2, then you're correct. But this is not 7.04 kg, they just say 4 grams here. So 4 grams must go to the last one. You get it? You get it? Sophia? Get it? Huh? Okay, so yeah. All right, the next one. Okay, Zahira is coming in.
Sure.
Yes. You are lagging, no? I think if going forward, you got to do something to your internet. Otherwise,
Mr. Shaheed, my answer for 2 is 4.
Answer for 2 is 4. Okay. You didn't do working mentally. You did it mentally, is it?
No, I did working.
Oh, you did working. So if it's 4, can you try and times 40? Do you get? You divide it by 200, right? So can you times this by 200? See, do you get back 40 now? Number 2. Okay, one say number 2, one say number 4. What about Miss Zahira? What do you say? Are you there, Zahira?
Sure.
I cannot.
If you times back and your answer doesn't get 40, then there's something wrong with your answer.
The answer 2.
Times by, now you're guessing. If you say 0.0, see, I assume is, now you do 100, let's say now your answer is 0.02. Okay. I times by 200, right? But let's say I times by 100 first. Times by 100 first. Why times by 100? Later I times by 2. So see, I shift 1, I shift 2, I get 2. Then later times 2, get 4 only. So by reversing it, you know, what's your answer?
Question 2.
Yeah, question 2. What's your answer?
Answer is number 2.
Number 2, correct. Okay. So this is number 2. So Sophia, these are questions you can do. You have just.
But then like.
Okay. So how to do this? Okay. We do it like that. 40 over 200. So you tell me what to do, Sophia. What do we do now? Cancel 0 again?
Cancel 1 0.
Okay. And then divide by 4 again, you get 1. Bottom divide by 4, you get how many? What bottom divide by 4, you get?
5.
5. So 1 over 5 is the same as how many over 10? 105 is the same as
2 out of 10.
2 out of 10. 210, 0.2. This is 210. This is 200. Okay, what was that? Someone that outguessed.
That was
Okay. Oh, Raihana is yawning. Allahu
No, I'm
Akbar.
I
Okay,
put the microphone inside my mouth.
don't put that lah. Don't have to do that for. This is a divide sign. This is a divide sign, okay?
Sure.
Yes.
Friday got PSLE.
Yeah.
This Friday,
Yeah.
Yes.
what paper is it?
LC.
LC.
LC is quite easy, right?
Okay lah.
For me, Malay very hard because
Malay, for prelim I got full marks.
Oh, congratulations.
But then for the
Oh,
English
14.
I got
English
19.
19, okay. 19 out of 25.
20.
19 out of 20 is very good. For Malay, is it?
No, for English.
For English.
For Malay is 20.
Wow. Champions, eh?
I skip my remedial class.
You
My
skip
answer is
remedial
2.
class, why? Answer is 2. What about the rest?
I think I got gastric or something. Stomach pain since morning. Teacher asked me
Did
to-
you eat or not in the afternoon?
I never eat.
Must eat lah.
I never
Otherwise,
eat rice for 1 week.
it's okay if you don't eat rice, but you must eat good food.
No, I
Like,
don't
if you are
eat
eating what Sophia is eating now, let's say for breakfast, lunch, dinner, is no good. Even McDonald's food, I'm
My
told.
answer is 2.
2, okay. What about the rest, Zahira? 2. What about Raihana? You can do the next one, just while we're waiting for Raihana.
Is the answer 2?
The answer is 2. Okay, first we do this one, you get 13. Then after that, you do this one, you get 25. Then 13 times 2 plus 6 plus 26, right? So this one gets 10. 50 divided by 5 gets 10. Plus 26 is 36. Congratulations. So notice, the questions become quite easy. The only time you make errors actually are when you are careless. So be careful, okay? Don't just do it mentally, do it on paper.
Mr. Shaheed,
Mhm.
did you know my friend say or not? Because that time you
What?
say I should be in a food eating commercial, right? And then my friend say,
Yeah. What did she say?
my friend say I also
What?
need to go to
What she say?
the food commercial. And like drinking commercial.
the
You
way
know why? Because I was drinking in class.
Why?
And then she was like, hey, you can go into the commercial.
See, the way you drink is very expressive. That is good. Okay. Come the next one. Are you okay? Rahana, what are you doing right now? You got the answer. You're playing your hair. Come.
Oh, my.
You got nice
my
hair.
nails came out.
Oh, sorry. I thought I saw you like that. I thought that. So you keep your own score, okay? All this is all 1 point.
But how many points?
So far, you got all 3 correct, so it's 3 points. Okay, Husna is coming in now.
Answer number 1.
Number 1 says Raihana.
No,
Or,
memang number 1 one. Because it cannot be number 2. It cannot be number 2. It cannot be
number 1, okay. Also number 1. What about Sophia?
I say my answer is 2.
2. So what time is 11:30 p.m.?
Huh?
11:30 p.m. When is that?
23:30.
Yeah, but how can so by logic it's not possible, right? If the movie ended,
Oh, my answer is 1.
okay, yeah. So down here over here, this is can be called as a bad question. Why? Because the distractors, these other options actually are not possible. It can't be at 3 a.m. You're watching a 1 hour 40, not even 2 hours
Okay.
movie, and
Okay.
they said 2 hours. If it's 2 hours movie, is you end at 5 a.m. So in
Okay.
this case, Raihana has used her logic, and yeah. But PSLE, I do not think they will give such a poorly constructed question because the other distractors, it doesn't trick you. A good question really might trick the students, some of the students. So over here, how to do this one? I think some of you are having issues down here. So we can draw a timeline, right? Down here now you have 115, all right? And 115, right? Okay, let's say like the question is tougher than this. Let's say. Down here is 12 o'clock. So from 12 to 1:15, how much is it? It's 1 hour and 15 minutes. Down here. 1 hour, 15 minutes. So what you do? You do this. Take the movie is 1 hour, 45 minutes. So let us do this then. We take 1 hour, 45 minutes minus 1 hour, 15 minutes. Okay, and you minus it, you get 30. 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 1 is 3, no hours. So this is 30 minutes before 12. 30 minutes before 12. Let us see here. In our number line here, we have this now. This is 12, this is 1 hour 15 minutes, so it's 30 minutes before 12. Well, it must be 11:30 a.m. All right, so again, you keep your score. Those of you who got all correct, yeah, that means you got 4 marks. Okay, which of the following is false? This is a parallelogram. Which of this is false?
So it's number 3.
Number 3, says Raihana.
My answer also number 3.
Number 3. Zahira and Shafika? 3, okay. Shafika, are you there?
Yes, my answer is number 3.
Number 3, okay. So well done. Notice all of you got it correct. Congratulations. This is wrong. Huh? CDA is here. And then DAB is here. These two are side by side. They add up to 180. They are not equal. In fact, if you cut this one here and you put it down here, you'll find it doesn't fit. It fits nicely. So that means if you cut this, you'll find that this is exactly equal to this angle here. So this plus this is 180. All right? Get it? Huh? So well done. Okay, so Raihana has straight 5 points. Okay, not bad. Huh? Now, what is the average mass of each cube?
1.
1, so fast.
Each cube. No. Number 2.
Number 2. So what you do is you put the value here and you times by 6. Is it equal to this? You ask. You check yourself lah. I'm not going to tell you whether it's right and wrong.
I thought I know.
Okay. Zahira? Hey, where's Sophia? Sophia, you there?
Answer number 3.
Oh, number 3. Okay. Oh, for a while I thought that was the girl was okay. Number 3 says Zahira. Sophia, what's the answer, Sophia?
See number 3. Sure.
Number 3. Okay, yes. What about the rest?
I say.
Yeah, I know. You are Raihana, right?
You say Zahira.
No, Zahira, I'm asking.
Okay.
Sophia, what's your answer? Shafika? Yeah, don't chunting. Miss Raihana, don't chunting. I know you're fast. Well, nowadays you're quite fast. Huh? Your mom tells me that you are doing a lot of practice
My
paper.
answer is 3.
3, okay?
You say what, Chef?
So is it?
Yeah, we're waiting
My
for the
answer
other
also
2.
3.
All 3, okay, well done. Congratulations. Yes, it's correct. Answer is 3. So this is
How do you
15
get 3
kg,
ah?
15 kg, 15 kg, right? So
Yeah,
this
but
also
how you
is
get
15
3?
kg. How we
Like I
get
thought
3?
15 divided by 6 is 2. And
2.5.
remainder 3.
No, okay.
So you get 2.5.
Okay, so you get 15 divided by 6, right?
6.
So now 6, you get 12 here. So it's 2. Then remainder 3. Remember, it's 3 over
Oh, okay,
6.
okay.
2, 3, 6 is the same as 2.5. 2.5 is 2.5, right? So well done. Sophia, you okay? So Rahana, do you notice that the questions seem to get easier, but it's not getting easier. You are getting better. That's why. So you may not realize it, no? But with time, you're getting better. Okay, we try next one. Number 7.
Number 2.
2. Shafika,
My answer is number 2.
number 2. Zahira, Shafika,
Number 2 also.
number 2. Zahira. Wait now. Okay. Ten bottles, 60 seconds, Zahira. One bottle is how much?
What happened just now? Just now my teacher did a mock test. And then like during the
How,
test, right, I
how do you
cannot
do?
focus because my stomach pains me.
Oh, I hope you eat some food lah.
Then I left 2 questions blank.
I see. But how do you do for the test?
I don't know.
Okay,
It was easy. Just devotion.
easy. Okay. Zahira, can Zahira? 10 bottles, 60 seconds. One bottle, how many seconds? Just divide lah. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. So one bottle, 6 seconds. Okay, What is that? I cannot see. How much you get? Cannot see lah.
No, that's the PSLE date.
Oh, PSLE date. Okay. All right, come. We try. Okay, we try this too. Okay, the PSLE date. PSLE is coming. But look on the positive side of it.
PSLE is in 2 weeks, right?
Yeah, 2 weeks. 2 weeks time.
Okay, after that can rest forever.
Yeah, you can not forever. I think you can
Yeah,
rest for 2 months, 3 months.
No, that's
3
what
months.
I said.
PSLE, right?
1 hour,
Three-
1 year.
Okay, 1 year. You'll be bored in 1 year.
Why you answer PSLE, you all go to your
Yeah, that's what my seniors say, you know. They say right that like later when you reach Sec 1, right, you feel like you want to go back to primary 6.
This is a different world. It's a world down there you're entering, you're small, like entering at primary 1 and they're bullies sometimes. But maybe in madrasah there might not be bullies, I do not know.
Guess what?
What?
I was a bully in primary 1 and primary 2.
You bullied people or you were
I
bullied?
bullied people.
Oh boy.
Same. I bully people who piss me off.
You doing which question?
Number 9.
Doing number 10.
Yeah, you can do number 10, but we are going to go through number 9 first.
My answer is 4.
4, okay. What about the rest?
Mr. Shaheed, for the
Yes.
number 10, right, the decimal, is it 63 over 100? Or 63
Yeah,
over
63 of 100. Look,
Oh, okay. Yeah,
1020.
2020.
My answer also number 4.
Number 4, okay. What about the rest?
Question.
Sorry? Zahira, what about you?
4.
4, okay.
My answer
My
is
answer
4.
for number 10 is 1.
1, okay. We're gonna. So we can do like that first. So Zahira can do? They should tell me that. That's why I raised my hand first before she raised her hand.
This is number 4 for number 10.
Yours is number 4.
Yeah.
Okay. You seem to be on a straight flush, miss. You must a straight flush. Like. Zahira, can Zahira? Number 9, what's your answer? Three. Okay. Here we go. Blue, how many bits are there, Zahira? Blue. How many bits?
56.
56. Now red, how many bits? Red.
Red is 24.
Okay, then green is how many?
20.
20. So now we reduce, we can divide by 4. Divide by 4, you get 14. Divide by 4, you get 6. Divide by 4, you get 5. Now, they ask you now, blue versus the other two. Because the other two, there's N down here. So that means blue, and then they want you to have 6 plus the 5. So, is 14 is to 11. You get it now? Because they are now asking you, this part you understand? Maybe your calculation, is there a mistake in your calculation? Now they say N. Red and green together. So we plus together 6 and 5 get 11. Can get it, Zaira? Can, huh? Okay, be careful, okay, Zaira, be careful. All right. Now you try the next one. The next one person say it is,
I see number 4.
one person says 4. The other one says 2, I think. So far you say it's 2, right? What about Shafika? What do you say?
I say 1.
Oh, you say 1, sorry, 1. And Raihana says 4.
Wait.
Okay. So I'll write all this on the board now.
Actually, number 1 now.
Who, number 1? Raihana says number 1 now.
No, actually number 4.
Number 4. Then who say number 1? Shafika? No.
No, my answer is number 4.
Number 4. Okay, 2% say number 4. What about Zahira?
My answer number 4.
Number 4. Okay. So we ask Sophia now. Sophia, change this now to decimal.
Huh? Decimal. I
Yeah.
change it to fraction.
Okay. 62 over
100.
100. It's the same as 0.62.
Huh.
So any fraction you get, you can just change it straight to 0.62. This one 0.63. This one is, let's say we times 2 is 6 over 10. Let's change it to 100 times 10.
0.6.
We times some more, times 10, 60 over 100. 60 over 100 is 0.60 lah. So which one is the biggest?
0.63.
Second?
62%.
Okay, and third is this. Okay, so do you do this working? Do you do any working or you did mentally?
I did working, but then I didn't do anything for the 3/5.
You have to change because if you just put 0.6, yeah, this is tens place, but actually you can just add a 0 here, no problem. Then you can compare and see, oh, all right. So just be careful, okay? Be careful because these are giveaway questions. So far, one student has gotten all 10 correct, no? You all know who that student is, right? Last time I noticed this girl who got all 10 correct, she would be pressured if, let's say, her answer is different from the rest. Now she's no longer worried,
Twice the length of P.
and that's good. Okay, don't worry if your answer is different. Huh? Be confident.
It's twice the length of P.
Try 3 times. JK is thrice the length of PQ. Okay.
Answer number 4.
Your answer is number 4. All right, let's see.
I think because so that area is 5, then 5 times half equals to 6, then 6.
5 times 6, is it?
No. Yeah, 5 times 6 equals to the period. I mean equals to the
My answer is 4.
4, okay.
yeah, answer 4.
All right. What about the rest?
Answer 4.
4, okay, good. What about Zahira? Don't feel pressurized, Zahira. Okay, so take your time, don't worry. But this is like, you can also shave it down here if you want to. You can divide into 3 parts here, like that. 1, 2, 3. You can shave it to the end, no problem. Just to see what is the value of it down here. Then you go down, all right? So you can find out later how many triangles you can get. So I will draw this triangle on the board. So that the thing. Zahira, have you gotten? Not yet, no? So I'm going to draw slightly different. Zahira? No, not yet. We just wait for a while. Hold on, I just smell gas on here. Just hold on. Okay, Zahira, have you gotten your answer? What's the answer? Can you get? Okay, Zahira, they say it's 1/3. So now they draw it this way. They draw it like that, but they draw it halfway down here. I'm going to shift it to the other side. Because if it's 1/3, I can divide it to three same parts. So I can have 1, 1, 1 right down here, right? And then not only that, you must ask yourself, this triangle area, is it the same as this? Same as this? It is, because the base is the same, the height is the same. Base times height divided by 2, half times base times, so the base is the same. The base is the same. The base is the same. But you may say, this doesn't look like the same triangle. It's okay. This is longer but thinner. This is slightly bigger, thicker, but medium size. This is shorter, down here shorter, but it is broader, supposed to be broader. So the area is all the same. Why? Because the base is the same. Base is the same. Same. So if you can do it for half of the rectangle, you can also do it the same down here. So you can divide into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different triangles. The triangles are actually the same area. Why again same area? Because the height is the same. The base is the same. If the base and the height are the same, that means the areas of all these triangles are the same. Remember, you have now a triangle. Let's say now this triangle here, the base is 5 cm. The height is 10 cm. You have another one down here. It's also 5 cm base. It has a 5 cm base. And it's sengit like that. But the height is still the same. The height is still 10. These two will have the same area. Why? Because the base is the same. The height is the same. Just down here, the base is the same, base is the same, base is the same. The height is the same. This is the height here. This is also the same height, okay? It will be down here also, yes. This will be the same height also, which we are drawing down here. So the area is the same, area is same, is same. So this half of this rectangle, I can divide into 3 triangles, and the other half I can divide another 3 triangles. So this is 1/6. If this is 5 square cm, as the question says, this must be 5 square cm, 5 square cm, 5 square cm, 5 square cm, 5 square cm. So it's total of 30. Oh, I didn't enlarge. I hope you can see what I've drawn. All right. So you can see, right? Basically, these triangles are all the same. Okay. All right. Now we do the next question. Zahira, okay not Zahira? Are you all right? So Zahira, okay not? You crying or not? Don't cry, okay? Later we'll beat up inshallah. Okay? Together we'll beat up. Okay, we try the next one now. Saleh.
My brother as well.
Your brother Saleh.
No, my beat him up also.
Saleh means very religious, very good, very pure.
I say can I beat up my brother also?
You must ask that of your mother and father, but most of all, you must ask your own brother.
No lah, he confirm don't care. He care, but I will beat him up.
Why you want to beat up your own brother?
Wait, so I got how many points already?
So far you got this one. You got 11. Correct. The answer is 30. Yeah.
And about 10.
So
Okay,
you
I
got,
want to see the other one.
yeah.
My answer is number 2.
Number 2 for number 12. Let's see.
Yes.
So number 2.
Number 2.
No, number 1.
Number 1. Okay, let's see. Don't be afraid of you giving your own answer. That's very, very important. Be confident to, even if the whole class says the answer is whatever, you believe in your answer. Sophia? We're not hearing from you, Sophia.
My answer is 2.
2. So 2% say 2, 1% say 1. What about Zahira?
Wait, huh? Wait.
But I have not finished the working, right?
My answer is 2.
Answer is 2. Okay. So
Wait, I need to do properly first.
yes, please check because answer might be right, answer might be wrong. Yeah, few steps.
Okay, my answer is 2.
2. Zahira, you said 2, is it? 2. You say 2, yes. Okay, now let's do together. At first, he has Y. Saleh has Y. Then he gave the sister $3. So now you got 7 minus 3. What's your balance? What's your balance? 7 minus 3.
4.
4. Huh? So everyone got 4. Okay, I'm glad. So he has $4 left. But he spent Y dollars. So
Y
what
times
is
2.
no, wait. He spent Y dollars. So what's the equation now? He got $4. He spent Y dollars. So be
4
4
minus Y.
minus Y. Okay. Now 4 minus Y. How much did the father give him?
2Y.
Good. 2Y. 2Y must plus to 4 minus Y. Why must plus that? Because this is the balance, right? So you plus 2Y. So let us put the Y together. Let us put the Y together. You have 2Y. After that, minus Y plus 4. I'm rearranging. I'm bringing the minus Y down here. I put the plus 4 behind. Remember this, the sign in front of the number belongs to the number. If it's 4, it's not minus 4. It's plus 4. So we must bring together with the sign. Down here, before the sign is minus, you bring it to the front. Why bring it to the front? Well, if you don't want to bring it to the front, you can 2Y minus Y. You will get Y plus 4 or 4 plus Y, either one. Okay, not? I repeat,
Yes.
down here, this part you all get it, right? What is left? At first got $7. Give the sisters $3, left with $4. Then he spent Y dollars, so 4 minus Y. And the father gave him 2Y. Why? 2 times what he spent is 2 times Y is 2Y. So you must plus the 4Y, plus the 2Y. So you have plus 2Y here. You have $2, as if it's $2. You spend $1, minus means you spend. So 2Y minus 1Y equals to 1Y, or Y. We call 1Y, Y. We call Y 1Y. So Y plus 4. So you got to be careful, okay? So in this case, 3% said answer is 2. Don't worry about it. Just believe in yourself and believe that you know what you're doing and you may get it correct. As in this case, Ms. Raihana has gotten so far all the questions correct. Okay, well done. And she's very careful. That means she's very careful. That's very good. And she believes in herself. So, okay. So don't worry if you are slow or fast. I remember last time earlier on, Raihana was a little bit slow. Do you remember, Raihana? Do you remember? She said, no, I don't remember. I'm always the
Yes.
fastest. You remember or not?
Yeah.
Yes. Now you're quite fast and you're getting everything correct. So I want you to practice on your own, to believe in yourself. You will surely make it. All right, I tell you what, we take a break now. It's already Maghrib. We'll come back at 7:30, okay? I will leave the question here. Okay, we can do our prayers.
Mr. Shahid, Mr. Shahid.
Yes?
My answer is 2.
What did you say? I cannot hear.
My answer is 2.
Answer is 2. This is question 13.
Chill.
Well done.
Until I finish this.
You are actually good also. You just need to be careful. You have also improved. In fact, all 4 of you have improved. So, okay, I'll do my prayers first, okay? God is calling me. Oh, let me pause the recording. Otherwise, just remind me to. So we're going to start again, okay? So let us see now. So, Sophia, you say the answer is 2. But what about the rest? Huh? The rest are not back yet. So let's see whether you're correct. Base area 16, then one side of the base is half. Okay. It's half the container height. Okay, so the container, so you 4, so it's 8, right? For 8 times 16. 2, okay, congratulations. 8 times 10. Okay, well done. So number 2, we wait for the rest, but meanwhile, while we wait for the rest, you can do this question. When the first 25 whole numbers are added, what is the digit in the ones place of this total?
How do you find the total?
Okay, so I just give you a clue, okay? You can make them as pairs of numbers. Can you see this pair and this pair? How much you get?
25.
Okay, now we try this one. How much you get?
25.
So then the next one is 3 and 22. You get?
85.
The next one is 22 right here. 25. So you can pair them up as 25. Well, from number 1 to number 24, if you have a pair of 2 numbers, how many sets can you get from number 1 to 24? How many sets? Each set is 2 numbers. How many pairs?
12.
1 pair is 12. Good. So you want to find the value. It's just 12 times.
25.
Then you get the answer, then plus this last one. Okay, and then you will get it.
Plus is what?
Plus this last one, because you're
12 times
supposed to find
25 plus 25.
12 times 25, then plus 25. Raihana, are you back? Come, you can do the question, Raihana.
My
Are
answer
you back?
is
One's place.
5. 5.
Once. Yes. Congratulations. So it's not so tough, right? Not so tough. You just need, yeah. You girls back, Zahira and the rest? Not back. Okay, not back. Then we ask Sophia to do the question 15. Okay, Shafika is coming back. Shafika is coming back. Okay. Okay, we do question 15 now. Question 15. Shafika, we are doing question 15.
Okay.
Move 2 squares northeast. Remember, north is here, down here. It's terbalik, you know. This thing is terbalik. So you have to decide where is your. You have to first decide.
My answer is 4.
4. Okay. Answer is 4.
Does the east and west change? No, right?
Yes. Yes, it does. Normally it's we. Now it become you. Right? Because it's going to be like that. Terbalik what? Remember, you can always read the word we. If you put E down here, then it become you.
Then my answer is 2.
Answer is 2. Okay, some say 2, some say northeast.
My answer is 2.
Okay, so let's see. Northeast 1, 2, and then west 1. Yeah, answer is 2. Congratulations. Okay, now we go back to this one now. Okay, so 15 later, this one. Which since Sophia has a thing, I'll give Sophia a question in the chat, which everyone can refer to. But the rest of you do number 13. Have you done number 13? Raihana, come back. Raihana, are you there, Raihana? You see, she's going to celebrate now. She got 12 questions correct, one shot. Now she's celebrating.
I'm here.
Are you here? So what's your answer for 13? So this is for 13.
For 13, I got number 2.
Number 2, okay. All right, then we wait for the rest then. What about Shafika and Zahira? Oh, nice hairstyle, huh? Sunday, every time she turn on the camera, it's a different hairstyle. Zahira, from just now, you're crying. Stop crying. It's okay, Zahira. Oh, this one is pulling out the eye. Okay, Zahira and Shafika. Well, Sophia and Rahana, you can try this question. What's your answer? Shafika, question 13.
Number 2.
Number 2.
My answer
Okay.
is 10x minus 12.
Okay. Now, Shafika, you can try this question as well. Raihana as well.
Wait. My answer is x minus 12.
X minus 12. Can you see this is plus? It's like you have money. Minus is you owe money. You owe $5. You have $7. You owe $5. How much are you left with?
No, I put like 5x plus 2x minus 7x.
Okay, good. So how much do you get? 5x plus 2x equals to how many?
7.
Yo, 7 minus 7, how much?
0.
Ah, no more x disappear already. Then after that, we put plus 7 minus 5. Now, I terbalikkan the thing. Instead of minus 5 plus 7, I put plus 7 minus 5.
Oh, okay,
So,
okay.
what's the
7
answer?
plus what?
7 minus 2 minus 5.
Huh?
7 minus.
No. I do another one.
Answer is
I do
2. Correct? 7 minus 5 is 2. What? Okay, so now you must understand, you will learn this in secondary school. Sometimes for primary school, they might confuse you. Minus 5 plus 7, you can rearrange it. You can put it as 7 minus 5 plus 7. So 7 minus 5, you understand. Minus 5 plus 7, you don't understand. So you rearrange it. Zahira, you got the answer, Zahira, for this one? You try this one down here. I'll give you another question for the three of you.
Oh, so is it like, so what's the answer?
Answer is 2.
Oh,
Because down here all the x disappear, and then 7 minus 5 is 2. So, okay, but remember the concept of having money and utang money. Okay, having money and utang money. Okay, it's the same thing. Minus means you utang money. Plus means you have money. So when you relate that to your real life, you start to understand. Otherwise, these numbers don't make any sense to you. You must understand that they are meaning. They are meaning. So now we try the next one.
can I do another one?
Yeah, we try another one. Don't panic, Zaira. Relax, Zaira. Relax, okay? Take your time. Okay, maybe today your mind, you're trying to focus, but your mind maybe might be disturbed.
My answer is what? My answer is Y.
Okay, well done, Zaira. Answer is 1. So everyone
No,
got
that
2.
was me.
Yeah, I know. So this one, Zaira says 2. Everyone got 2. Well done. Congratulations. So we are waiting for the rest. Can you all try this question then?
My
It
answer is
says
Y.
under what? Answer is 1. So let us see now. Oh, sorry. Okay, you look at the second question, okay? The second question. Don't look at the first question. Second question. She say, Sophia says 1. What you do is very simple. Arrange the plus together, the minus together. So I will take this and I'll put it right in front. Then you know how to do. I'll just type for you.
It's 5y minus.
Okay, 5y minus the thing. Okay, let's see. Now I bring the 5y is in front there. See what happens now. Then I'm going to put the plus one first. You must know which one to put plus, which one to put minus. Remember the sign
y plus 1.
y plus 1. That's your answer.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. 5 plus 12 is how many? 5y plus 12y. 5y plus 12y. Anyone? Sophia, your answer is 1, is it?
17Y.
17y.
My answer
17
is Y.
y. Okay. I thought you're asking a question now. 17y minus 16y. What is it?
Y.
Y. Good. Okay. Then plus 1 plus 2. How much you get? Plus
Plus
2 plus 1?
2 plus 1 equals to 3.
3. Then minus 3. How much you get? So the answer is y.
1.
1y lah. 1y is y. Okay.
Why do we
Plus
get
minus 2, 3. I got 2, 3.
There. Plus
Why do
2
we get
plus
y?
3. Why do you get y? 17y minus 16y is y. 1y.
Why do we get y?
1y is y, right? Then plus 2 plus 1 is plus 3. You have $3, you utang $3, You pay back your loan, there's no more money left. It's zero lah. You can say plus zero. But why you write plus zero? Just put y. Yeah? Okay. So well done for this one. All of you got it correct. Base is 4 times 4, and they tell you that the height, the length down here is half of the height. So the height must be twice. So it must be 8. So 8 times 4 times 4. So you get 1 to 8. Now we do this one. Okay, now this one Sophia has done. So I tell you what, we'll go to question paper 2. Otherwise, one person not paying attention is not good. Okay, we try this one. Cannot use calculator. Sorry, cannot use calculator. It's still Hennessy. Allahu Akbar, Hamar.
Man.
Okay, cannot use calculator.
What are you talking about?
Huh?
What are you talking about?
We are doing now. We are.
Then why is it Hamar?
I do not know. Show me the bottle again.
No, it's essential oil.
Oh, essential oils. Okay. All right.
You paper 2 ah?
No, paper 1.
Wait, the 6
Essential
is
oils also.
that one, right?
Both of you are selling essential oil.
I have a lot of essential oil.
Okay, I'm searching for one particular. I think I forgot what's the name. Never mind. Okay, 48.3 divided by 6. Please try it, please.
My answer is 8.05. Yeah, same as
8.05.
Zahira.
.05. Okay. Anyone else? All got 8.05? Hey, you see lah. You see what happens, Sophia? You take out the one, she also take out. Next thing, Shafiqah
Zahira, Rehana.
one pill nanti.
Rehana is
Okay. Yeah, she's just looking at us. Okay. Do you all get 8.05, Shafiqah? Yeah, 8.05. You all know how to do, right?
Yes.
If you all know, right? Do I need to show? No need, right? All get 8.05. Rahana, you get 8.05. Yes. Okay, this one now. Be careful. Be careful. But it's easy lah. It's easy. If you're confused, put the plus in front.
my answer is n minus 13.
Confirm?
Yes.
We willing to bet one essential oil bottle?
Huh?
Can?
No.
That means you're not confident. You're not so sure.
Huh?
Are you sure
Oh,
you
yes.
answer or not?
Yeah.
10 minus 13.
10 minus 13. 10
My
n
answer is
minus
n. My answer is n.
13.
Yes.
n minus 13. Okay. So you're willing to bet also? You're willing to bet, Shafiqah?
Same.
Oh, same answer.
Yes.
What
Yes,
about
I'm
Rahana?
willing to bet. I bet $1 million.
Rahana, what about you? You agree also?
Yes, I bet my whole essential oils that.
Okay. If you bet, all of you will lose.
No, wait, no.
Look at this. You have $10. You owe $3. How come you got $13? You utang $3. That's why now I say you rewrite
n
it.
minus
10
7.
minus
7, yes. Now, so this is what I mean. Now you rearrange it 20n. Then you look at the sign on here. Oh, minus 19. I'll put the minus 19n here. Then you put the plus first. Why plus? Because you all learn how to plus, then the minus, right? I like that. Plus 10. The plus belongs to the 10. The minus belongs to the 3. Then you do it this way. 20n minus 19n gets n. 10 minus 3 is 7. So plus 7. If anyone get confused, is it minus 7 or plus 7? Okay, I'm going to show you how to know. You will never be asked to be giving the answer minus. But you see you have $10. Can sell all this product later. Later can sell. Okay, we can go on Facebook Live. This is plus $10. You owe $3. You surely must have money left, right? If you say it's minus here, that means you got $10, you pay $3, you still utang the person $7. Doesn't make sense. Okay, remember, utang and have money. Utang money and have money. Aduh. What is that? What's the brand? What's the brand? Okay, how much? How much we buy? We buy. We
The
buy.
brand is called Hisses.
Okay, how much you are going to sell it? How much you going to sell it?
My one is Young Living.
Young Living. Forever
One small bottle is
$30.
$3.
$3?
Yes.
Okay, we can buy
Wait,
from
no,
you
no,
lah.
no, no. One small bottle is $5.
$5. It's considered cheap, no? I do not know. Certain flavors are very expensive.
I don't know.
Anyway,
My mother buy.
yeah. Okay, yours. Okay, all right, right. Okay, inshallah, I'll buy from both
And
of
the
you.
big bottle is $15.
Oh, $15. Okay. All right then.
Wait.
Can you try the next one then? This is like giveaway questions.
Mrs. Shaheed, do you know how small it is?
I know. I have some bottles here too. Small is like that, right?
No, like this.
Ah, yes. Big one.
The big one is like that.
Can you put it beside the small one? So notice we are doing maths now. So what's how many milliliters in the big one? Check how many milliliters of liquid in the big one,
I
big
don't
bottle.
know.
You must
They
check
never
and
say.
they will tell you. They say.
They never.
They must say. They
Oh,
say
50.
50 milliliters. The other small one, is it 15
Small
or
one
20?
is 10.
10, okay. So you can have 5 of those bottles.
8 years, 3 months.
8 years and 3 months. All right, we'll see whether you're right or not. 8 years and 3 months. Someone has just left. Okay. 8 years and 3 months. What about the rest? Don't forget the 4 months. The 4 months down here. No, he has 4 months. Don't forget that. Did you just take 12 years minus this? I do not know. Or did you assume 1 year got 10 months? Did you assume 1 year is 10 months, Miss Zahira? Yes, I think you minus that. You assume it's 10 months, you know. Do not change the calendar. It has been used for thousands of years. Don't change the number of months. 1 year got 10 months only.
Oh, 12 months, right?
12 months, yes. Then you must remember it's 4 months with him.
Is it 9 years and 1 month? No.
My answer is 9 years and 1 month.
Same.
Oh, you get 9 years and 1 month. What about Shafika?
Wait, no.
Hi, 9 years and 1
No,
month.
my answer is 9 years and 3 months.
That is Zahira's original answer.
Wait,
Okay,
no,
we
my
are
answer
waiting
is
for
9 years and 11 months.
9 years, 9 months. Huh?
yours 9 years and how many months?
My one 9 years, 9 months.
My one is
Your one is? Hello, finish, complete the sentence. You see the filling. It says no. This is actually a fill in the blanks answer. Huh? You fill in the blanks. Girls, come on, girls. You cannot get this wrong, girls. Please, all of
Mr.
you.
Shaheed.
Yes.
12 years old is still considered a small girl, right?
Yes.
8 years and 9 months.
Congratulations. I think the only girl who got it correct is Miss Shafika Husna. Congratulations.
Wow.
Okay, so let us see. Before we come with a small girl, big girl, or whatever it is, how? Okay, now we go one by one first. Okay, we have to minus, right? Oh, 7. Sorry, this is 7. 7. Okay. So if you feel confused, you do not want to minus the 7 months yet, no problem. Okay, we don't minus the 7 months first. We take 4 months minus 0 first. So you get the answer as 4 months. First. Imagine there's no months, there's no 7 months yet. Imagine. Okay. And then 12 minus 3, you get 9. 12 minus 3, you get 9 years, 4 months. But now you must minus the 7 months. If you're confused, I'm doing it step by step like this. So now 4 cannot minus 7. So you got to break this now. Borrow 1 year, you are left with 8 years. Zahira, down here 1 year, becomes 12 months. So 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 months. 16 months minus 7, you get 9 months. So now I have to show you on the board, otherwise you don't get it. Okay, I'll show you step by step so that you are very clear. Girls, again, this question, now Raihana is overconfident already. You see, you know, Raihana, you know the story of the hare and the tortoise, you have become like that because she got all correct. Then she said, now I can relax, I can sell my essential oils and whatnot. That's what's happening. Please, please do not be overconfident, please. All right, because your exams are not
now become
ever.
confident, Joe.
Huh? You're not overconfident?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, come. So now we do it this way. Come. All right, so
Yeah.
now I'm going to show you step by step. 4 cannot minus 7. Now this is what you did. Zahira, this is what you did, Zahira, just now. You take 7 minus 4. Don't do that way. Look, top minus bottom. Don't allow your brain to make you go in minus the other way, get 3. Same thing for you, Sophia. How you get 3? 7 minus 4, you get 3. Don't do that way, please. Top minus bottom. Don't say, top cannot minus bottom.
At first, my answer was 8 years and 3 months.
Okay, so now let's try. 4 minus 7 cannot. So now we need to borrow 1 year. Borrow 1 year, 11 years left. 11 years left. So you must plus 1 year, got how many months? 12 months.
12.
So 12 plus 4 is how much? 12 plus 4, 16. So I rewrite this one. 11 years, 16 months. This is the same. Because I took 1 year, I plus the 12 months here. So it becomes 16 months. You see, I can write it this way. Minus 3 years and 7 months. Now we minus.
This is just like timing.
Yes, something like timing. 16 minus 7, you get 9. 11 minus 3, 8 years, 9 months. So now I'm going to give you my own question. If you cannot do this, hey girls, you're going to go into sec 1, please. Okay. The worst thing is someone asks you your age 3 years ago and then you minus wrongly. 13 years, 2 months minus 10 years, sorry, 10 years, 10 months. What is the answer? Speed round. Anyone? What? Watch out. Watching. I thought you cannot hear anything. Shafika, you are the fastest for this question. What's your answer?
Is the answer 2 years, 14 months? No, 2 years, 4 months.
2 years, 4 months, says Zahira. What about the rest? Oh, I thought someone put the answer 2. Who is this, Ayana?
2 years, 2 months.
2 years, 2 months. 2 years, 2 months. Let us see. 2 years, 2 months. Okay. What about Raihana and Sophia? Sophia and Raihana.
2 years, 4 months.
2 years, 4 months.
Sure, is
2 plus.
the guy on the boat?
For one, I thought you tell me the answer is 2. Who is that?
Yeah.
Who is this? Is it a Malay guy or
But is the
Korean
guy
guy?
on my that one handsome?
It's blur. Yeah, he looks handsome lah.
Is the guy on my
Yeah,
is he nice or not?
it's nice. It's nice.
He's ugly because I don't like K-pop.
Okay. All right. Now, what is your answer, Sophia? Can I ask you to take 2 years, 2 months?
What?
What's your answer?
My answer is
She's doing mentally now. You seem to be drunk with essential oils now.
my answer is 2 years and 2 months.
2 years, 2 months. So 2% said it. Okay, let us see now. Now 2 cannot minus 10. Please do not take 10 minus 2. Put 8 months here. Please don't do that. Please. 2 cannot minus 10. So what do? You borrow 1 year. Borrow 1 year, you're left with 12 years. So you must plus 12 here. Shafika, you must plus 12. How many months is this, Shafika? 12 months plus 2 months. How many months? Shafika.
1.6.
Hey,
What?
12 months plus 2 months. How many months altogether here?
14.
14. So I rewrite here. This is 14 months. And then 12 years. I rewrite it here. Plus 10y minus 10 months. Sorry, 10 months. So is 14 minus 10 is 4 months. 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 years, 4 months. How can you get it wrong when you're the only one who got it right just now? That means you're not being careful, Shafika. You're not being careful. All right, so be careful. Your answer is now correct, but I need to give you one more question.
Raihana, is that NCT? Is that Lucas? Yeah, I like him. But now I don't.
Okay. All right.
Because now I like Draco.
Stuff to see. Okay. All I can say is, let us try this one. Okay, never mind. We move on. With Draco or whatever it is. I can tell you about the Koreans. They use they look so nice, right?
I know.
They do a lot of cosmetic surgery.
I know what you're
Can
going to
imagine now?
Yeah.
What am I going to tell you? Let's say now you see when a girl kisses the guy on the cheek, you do not know whether they're kissing actually the part of the backside that they have cut off and pasted it on the face. Oh, yes. Because where do you get, they change how they look. Where do you get the skin from? They get the skin, other parts of the butt. Well, yes. So the butt is a good place to get the skin. So you never know. You seeing the actress kissing on the cheek. Wow, so romantic. Actually, it's kissing the butt. Up to you.
I thought you were going to say that Korean people never wash their...
But Draco also does not wash.
So what?
So imagine.
At least it's more attractive than K-pop people.
You just imagine. Okay, I'm leaving it to your... No, I better not say that. You say that. I did not say that. Because this is being recorded after people will be saying I'm prejudiced. Well, I'm not prejudiced.
Yeah, no one's going to watch this anyway.
You never know. Because it's out there for people who want to learn. You see, you might want to watch it when you are in set 1 to revise. All right, question number 20.
No, I don't look at my ugly face.
Sorry?
Nothing.
Okay.
Well, I did this question before. I think I did this paper before.
That means you'll get it correct?
No, only this question.
Answer is 110.
110 for me,
Wait,
Shafika.
no. Yes, for me.
In meter.
0.11.
Sure, sorry. That one keep on going out.
My answer is 0.11 meter.
0.1. Okay, let's say 0.1 meter. Is it 1 meter or not 1 meter? 1 meter is how many cm, Shafika?
Oh,
What?
1.1. 1.1 meter.
Okay, meters 100 cm, not 1,000.
My answer is 1.1 meter.
1.1. Okay. So imagine if someone say your height is 1.5, another one say no, your height is 0.15.
My answer is 1.1 meter. And
Really?
my height is my height is 153 or 154.
That's very tall for a primary 6 student. What's your answer, Arahana?
Well, you see me in real life. Excuse me, I think we have a Hello Kitty inside our class.
Yeah, see, this is a story of the hare and the tortoise. She got the first few parts, the first 12 questions all correct. Now she's playing. It's like the hare lah. The hare won so many races already. He went to sleep under the tree. Okay, Zahira, what's your answer, Zahira? Can do or not? First take 80 times 3, right? 240 cm for all total height.
Please let us a story later. Thank you.
Okay, 240 minus 60 minus 70 is, as Shafika said, 110 cm.
100.
110 must divide by 100, not 1000. You do 1000 habis lah. You get 1.1 meter. So congratulations to those who got it correct. Zahira, you can get it, no Zahira?
Sure.
Am I going too fast, Zahira? No, right? Why are you sad? You look a little bit sad. Are you okay? Inshira is bullying you, is it? Remember, later we all gang up and go to your house and beat her up. Okay. All right, here we go. So 1.1. Raihana, you are frozen, Raihana. Please come back to reality. Now, become question 21. Now, these are all 2 marks. 2 marks, okay?
Mr. Shaheed.
Yes. Yeah. You want the
Do you
stories?
know, right?
Uh-huh.
Do you know, right? There's this website that you can watch free movie.
There's many websites like that, but be careful because sometimes they are corrupted websites, so they will cause your computer, your laptop to be.
No, never.
Okay, which site is that? Later you
Afda.
share. Afda.
Yeah,
A-
there's a lot of movies. There's like Mulan lah. There's like
Okay.
whatever, but and there's no ads. There's no ads.
AFDA.
DAH.
Afda. Okay, .com.
No, just Afda.
You must be joking.
Just Afda. You search
Look,
lah at. You search at
Okay,
Google or
I will
whatever.
search Afda.
This one paper 2 ah?
This is paper 1 still.
You just
2
search what
marks.
movie you want to watch.
Okay, I want
And
to
it's
watch.
full movie.
Okay, I will check, inshallah.
So can I?
Okay, anyone? Listen, you got to imagine. So,
Oh, I know.
okay.
I don't know. Is it the whole thing 3 liters?
No, we do not know how many liters is it.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you now, very
Mr.
soft.
Shaheed.
Yes, I can hear you, very soft, like a very prim and proper girl. Very soft.
Ah.
Prim and
Doesn't
proper.
mean improper. Are you calling me like,
No, I'm not saying
Are you calling me
proper.
stupid?
No, proper means they're also very graceful and okay. Come now, let's not waste time now. So down here now you have a mark. The bottle now is twice the volume of the mark. So if the mark is, so you can imagine like this lah. You imagine like that. This is now the bottle. Okay, don't ask me why the bottle is squarish or whatever, but imagine. Okay.
What the bottle look like?
Yeah, imagine it's a new bottle. Okay. So now they're asking you, what fraction of the bottle is filled? Raina, what's your answer, Raina? Stop doing all that. You see, I tell you, this is the story of the. What's the story?
Yes, we get it lah.
Huh? What's the story? So far, do you agree with my analogy? Not?
No,
I know.
it's just that Raihana is weird.
La 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 la.
Hey, Raina, come on, don't waste time. What's your answer? Only Shafika is the only one who's doing it.
Answer is 2/6.
2/6. Okay, let's see.
Wow.
Wrong.
Zahira, what about your answer, Zahira? Every time I ask Zahira, she will wipe her eyes.
No offense.
I think I will go gila
No,
this.
Chill, why you cry also? You go Happy Villa.
Yeah.
I did. You go Happy Villa, you cry.
Happy Villa.
Yeah.
What is okay? So I'm going to draw.
number.
And then
What?
you-
No, there are one fraction. What fraction is this? So we can divide this into 3 parts here. All right.
1, 2/3.
1, 2/3. Okay, so I'm going to draw it for you. All right. Down here now, this mark, let's say, can be divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So it's fill up one third. Can see, 1/3. Now, we are going to put it in a bottle. Well, the bottle has twice the volume of the mark. So it can be divided like that. The bottle is like that. You see, this one got 3 units. This one must have 6 units. So you just shade 1. Now the fraction is 1/6. They're asking you, if you pour this liquid inside here, let's say now you freeze it become an ice cube. This can fill up 6 ice cubes. This can only fill up with 3 ice cubes. Why? Because the volume or capacity of this volume is twice of this. This can only fill up with 3. This twice can fill up 6. So if you pour this here, and imagine this is like frozen, it's 1 out of 6. Do you get it? No, all cannot focus really now. Ay. Exams coming. Okay, never mind. You try. Only Shafika is the only one who can focus. But we do not know. She might be dancing in the kitchen now. But anyway, come, let's try. Find what is TQR. Okay, notice down here, this is like that. Notice that. If you cannot see, I'm doing it for you. TQR is here.
Mr. Yeah.
Mr. Shaheed, have you ever like
Yeah.
accidentally like didn't mute yourself and then like the people can hear you?
I don't think so. Normally what happens is I mute myself and I talk and then no one hear me.
Yes, me.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm from a problematic class. The most problematic class of the whole school. Sure. Who's your favorite Disney princess?
Teacher,
PG princess. What? What's
My
answer?
favorite,
teacher is anger, QRS and TSR equals to 180.
Yeah. Wait. QRS and TQR. Yes, correct. 180 yes.
Yeah, correct.
Correct. This and this 180 yes. Well done. Because it's, remember, this is like as parallel line. So two the angles are adding up to 180. Congratulations. So what's your answer?
And
105.
105. Congratulations. You see?
105.
I also got
105.
105.
Is the
Well
answer
done.
105?
Yes, well done. But what about Sophia? She's looking at some other angle.
my
Sophia,
favorite Disney princess is Ariel.
Ariel is the one underwater, not wearing proper clothes. You are from a madrasa. You like such a person.
Whoa,
Up to you, lah. Up to you. Up to you. Huh?
Then what?
Okay. I'm sure. I'm.
Didn't you your one?
Mine. Actually,
No,
I like.
this one don't need to do. This one don't need to do.
I like this movie.
Mulan.
Rapunzel's.
Oh, Rapunzel.
The one, but there was another title for Rapunzel.
Tango.
Tangled, yeah, I thought that was very nice, that cartoon. I like the cartoon, not really the princess lah, because
Oh, is it like the
because if my wife were to hear this and she says that she'll say that how come I'm not your princess in my life, then what I'm gonna answer?
No, you're not her. You're not. I mean, she's not your princess. She's your queen.
Oh, that means she control me.
You're not the queen, you're the government. The government.
That means you're saying she's like the stepmother in
She's
what
the
is that?
government.
She's the government.
Yeah.
Okay, come. Let's try this one. No. This one they have already drawn the fence. No, we do not want this. This one now. Find the area RSU. The shaded area RSU.
22?
22. How come your height is sengit?
Huh?
Find the area of red, right?
Shaded
Half by
RSU, the shaded one. Shaded one. Yes, half times base I'm
My
height.
answer is 18.
18. How you get 18? You take 9 times what?
Because 9 times 4 times half.
Good. So this is what? Base. This is height. How come the base and height are together, side by side?
Is it 22?
22. So you take 11 times 4. Is it? 11. But how come your height is sengit?
Yeah.
Cannot be sengit. Height must be 90 degrees.
Oh, minus 20, minus 20.
Congratulations, Zahira. The second one you have gotten first. This is your base and this is your height. So I'm going to draw for you it's like that, no, saying it, no. Okay, oh, this is bad, man. Okay, you must be able to turn. Okay, during an exam, you can turn the paper around, you turn the paper.
54.
Sorry?
It's also 54.
Not 54. Come on.
I die already, yeah.
No, because
I died more.
Mr. Shaheed.
down here is 4. Hold on. Down here is 4. This here is the height, remember? Because you cannot say 11. 11 is sengat. You do not hold your ruler sengat and then you measure your height. So this is 10. So the height is 10. Half times 4 times 10. Answer is 20 square cm. Okay?
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes.
can you tell us a story?
I don't have any story except for the story of the girl with. Okay, I can tell you this. I have a friend who can. Did I tell you about this friend? He can see genes.
I don't that kind of story. I don't that kind of story. I want a happy, funny story.
Hi, somebody died and
Okay, you want happy, funny story?
I know.
Yes, I don't want to hear about your friend.
Once upon a time, this guy he could die, and then he soon live happily ever after in heaven.
Okay, I can't think of any. You ask me that way, I can't think of anything.
Alah.
What do you want? You want true story? Okay, you want true
I got
story?
Harry Potter book.
Okay, this is a true article. There was once this guy in Malaysia, and he wanted to steal copper wires. You know, wires inside there's a type of metal. But this guy, if I can find the article, I'll show it to you. This guy, he wasn't using his brain. He broke into a place with lots of copper wire because there's lots of wires. And then what happened? He cut it, and he was electrocuted right until his whole thing was burned. No, it became black and burned. And the newspaper showed, and this is more than 15 years ago. They showed the person body is all black, like soot. You know why? He wanted to steal copper wire, and in the end he electrocuted himself. He stole it from the power station. Can you imagine? So when you go and cut, if let's say any wire, let's say, do not try this. You take a scissors and cut, you might get electrocuted. So be careful. Okay, that's the story. I can see Sophia is not happy with the story. Well, she's looking at something else. She's looking. I saw her looking. Okay. All right then. Okay, we'll stop now. You all cannot focus already. Lahana. Okay. All right. We'll see you on Friday.
Oh,
Okay. What do you want? What is it you want?
I
You
want
want?
to study more.
What,
Mr.
really?
Shahid, can you name who the girl is?
Which girl?
This girl at my
Yeah, this
profile.
girl is the Harry Potter girl. What's her name?
Who?
Hermione.
Yes.
And her name is Emma Watson, is it?
Emma Charlotte Watson.
Yeah, Charlotte. Well, she's lucky lah in the sense she gets so many roles.
Yeah.
Stop it lah, Rihanna.
Wow. Okay then. All right.
You have all the
everyone.
books.
Okay, I will leave now. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.
Okay, bye.